in this lesson tinoda kuita ma-laws of logarithms. But in order for us to understand ma-laws of logarithms, we should have a working knowledge of ma-laws of indices. So let us have a quick summary of the laws of indices. Asi tinoda kutarisa the three main laws of indices. So the first law we are going to consider is this law. What happens when we have indices multiplying each other? So we have a to the power b multiplying a to the power c, and this is equal to a to the power b plus c. Saka we see a relationship, an isomorphic relationship between multiplication and addition. What happens when we have indices dividing each other? We have a to the power b dividing a to the power c. This is equal to a to the power b minus c. So we also see an isomorphic relationship between division and subtraction. When we have indices dividing each other, the effect is ma-powers enu are going to subtract if we have the same base, which in context is going to be a. Then lastly, when we have a situation like this, a to the b, everything under the power c, this is equal to a to the bc, where we have our powers multiplying. Saka tine these three main laws of indices, tiri kuda kuziva what happens with logarithms when they are multiplying or adding, when they are dividing or subtracting, or in such a case like what we have on law number 3. So let us do this. What happens when you are looking at the laws of logarithms? What is going to happen when we have logarithms adding? Saka tikati log a base b plus log c base b, this is equal to the log of a multiplying c base b. We can rewrite this as ngati 1a. The log of ac base b is equal to the log of a base b added to the log of c base b. So what I want us to notice panapa is what is called an isomorphic relationship. So let me write it here. It's called an isomorphic relationship. So as we already know, kana makaita the subject geography, you have to know that the prefix iso, it actually means 1. And saka tine ma isobars, for example. We also have the word isolation, which brings us to the concept of being 1. So kana chiti isomorphic relationship, zvatiri kutaura tiri kuti pane hukama between addition and multiplication. We see it under the laws of indices when you look at the first law. We are also seeing it under the laws of logarithms when you look at the first law. But when we have logarithms with the same base, if you remember, a uno ushu ne uyu takati that is called a base. Saka b uno uyu ari kurepresenta base. So when we have logarithms adding but they have the same base, we are simply going to multiply a and c. Saka panapa we just rewrote starting with this, of course. Let us go to the second. Our question is, what happens when we have logarithms subtracting. Saka ngatiti tina log a base b subtracting log c base b. This will be equal to the log of a over c, or a dividing c base b. Saka we also have an isomorphic relationship between subtraction and division, but what you should be careful of when it comes to the second law, whenever we are doing either division or subtraction, the order of appearance matters. Kuti 3 minus 2 zvakatosiyana nekuti 2 minus 3, but kuti 3 plus 2 zvakafanana nekuti 2 plus 3. Saka the order we are emphasizing panapa ndeyekuti what appears first is the numerator, what comes next is the denominator. Saka the log of a base b minus the log of c base b will be equal to the log of a over c base b. Let us write it starting with this side. That will be our 2a. So the log of, let us say, c base b subtracting the log of a base b will then be equal to the log of, it will be c over a base b. Order matters. So maybe let us write it here. Order matters. Pichiri ipapa apa manje. What you should also know is we can write it like this. Maybe call it 2b. We can write it as the log of a over c base b is equal to the log of a base b subtracting the log of c base b. Again, emphasis on order. Order matters. Okay, let us now see what happens under situation number 3. Iri kuma laws of indices. Kuda kuyapply kuma laws of logarithms. So under system number 3, what we are having here is, if we have the log of a to the power n base b, this is equal to n log a base b. What happens in effect panapa ndezvekuti this power can be transferred to be a multiplier of the log. Saka the power n inodzoka kunoku, and we have n log ab. This is one of the most important properties or laws of logarithms which we have. So before we go into practice questions, what I want us to do is, ndiri kuda kuti tive ne n inclusive kana kuti exclusive summary of all the laws of logarithms and certain properties of logarithms which are very important to our study. Saka having a summary of the laws of logarithms, this is going to be the summary. The first we are going to look at is the log of a base b being equal to c. It means b to the power c is equal to a. So that is very important. But there is something we get from this. Saka tichiri panapa, there is a statement we should know. Kuti base 10 is the standard base. Base 10 is the standard base. What do I mean kana ndichiti base 10 is the standard base? Ndiri kureva kuti if we write something like this, tikangoti log a like this means kuti log a base 10. Saka kana tisina kupiwa a base, automatically the base is going to be 10. Now, having learned that, let us look at variance of a, maybe say 1a. tikati the log of 1, what is it equal to? And we say it's equal to x. And since panapa pasina base zvorati pana 10, saka takungoti 10 to the power x is equal to 1. Then it will be 10 to the power x is equal to 10 to the power 0. Tanyora 1 in terms of 10. Therefore, x is equal to 0. Saka, this working, what it is telling us is, when we have the log of 1, our answer is going to be 0. So this is very important. The log of 1 is equal to 0. That will be our 1a. And maybe let me remove this so that we have our list just in order. Now we want to talk of 1b. 1b no famba say. Let us say for 1b, we have the log of 10. And we know if we don't have a specified base, it's going to be base 10. And we make this equal to y. So 10 to the power y will be equal to 10. This means 10 to the y will be equal to 10 to the power 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1. What does this mean? What this means is log 10 is equal to 1. Saka kuziva kuti log 1 is equal to 0 nekuziva kuti log 10 is equal to 1. Izvi zvinobva the property log a base b being equal to c means b to the c is equal to a. You understand? Saka kana tadaiso manje tatosummarize what is the first law of logarithms, which we studied in our first lesson as the theory of logarithms, and what we get from that theory. For number 2, we have log a plus log b being equal to the log of ab. Saka ndina kuisa base panapa kureva kuti we are assuming the base to be 10. Log a plus log b is equal to log ab. Then for our third law, tinenge takuti log a minus log b is now equal to log a over b. Emphasis panapa ndeyekuti order matters. You should always remember that. Then for our law number 4, tinenge takuti log a to the power n is equal to n log a. N, which is the power here, transfers to be the multiplier of the log. So these 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ndizvo zvamunofanirwa kuziva when it comes to logarithms at ordinary level. This is our question. Given that log 2 is equal to 0.30103 and log 3 is equal to 0.47712, calculate without using any tables. So pakanzi any tables apo in today's papers panofanirwa kunzi without using any calculators. Or question yakaita seiyo inongouya iri kupaper 1 pamusingatombotenderwe kupinda muexamination necalculator. So how do we do it? We collect what we have been given in the question. Taudzwa kuti log 2 iri equal to 0.30103. That is log 2. Ndokuudzwa kuti log 3 is equal to 0.47712. Like that. Saka tapiwa this much. Tikaenda pana a iruda kuti titsvage log 5. So zvatofanirwa kuita ndezvekuti we have to replace 5 inoi with numbers which are related somehow to 2 or 3. Saka instead of kunyora kuti log 5 tinouya panapa tonyora kuti log 10 over 2 like that. Saka we replace 5 with another number which is equal to 5 numerically, asi number yatoshandisa kureplace 5 nayo should be somehow or not somewhat related to either 2, 3 or both. Saka the reason yatati log 5 iri equal to log 10 over 2, knowing kuti 2 into 10 ndi 5, inawo yekuti we already know kuti log 10 ndiyani. We did it when we were looking at a summary of the laws of logarithms, and we saw kuti log 10 is going to be equal to 1. You can look at it panapa. Log 10 is equal to 1. Saka what then do we do from there? So atinge takuita panapa ndezvekuti this is equal to takushandisa manje the laws of logarithms. Saka because we are still learning, I'm going to be writing the law of logarithms we are going to be using here, and I'm using the color yellow. Saka tikati toshandisa this one, log a andika minus log b is equal to log a over b, like that. So ngatishandise panapa tuone. Saka panapa yatangira kuside kunoku kuna log a over b, log 10 over 2. Tofunga kuidzoserawo. Kaidzosera, knowing kuti order matters, zvoreva kuti we have log 10 subtracting log 2, like that. Saka log 10 over 2 becomes log 10 minus log 2. This is equal to, what is log 10? Log 10 is equal to 1. Subtract, what is log 2? Log 2 taudzwa kuti is 0.30103. Saka this is just 1,00000 subtracting 0.30103. So let us do the subtraction. What we get is our answer. Saka panapa 0 minus 3, of course we carry 10 apo, carry 1 pano. 10 minus 3 is 7. Panapa we do the same. 10 minus 1 is 9. Apo we do the same. 10 minus 2 is 8. Apo we do the same. 10 minus 1 is 9. Apo futhi we do the same. 10 minus 4 is 6, 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is going to be our answer, 0.69897. That is our answer. Okay, let us go to part B. Part B iri kuda kuti titsvage log 6. Saka log 6 tichaiwana sei? This is our part B. Tikuda kunzi titsvage log 6. Saka we know that log 6 is equal to, we have to express 6 in terms of either 2, 3 or both. Saka we can replace 6 panapa na log 2 times 3, like that, because 2 times 3 is equal to 6. The law of logarithms we want to apply panapa. The here inoti log a plus log b is equal to log ab. But of course, ticha apply in reverse, like that. Saka kana takuinyora iyo inge iri equal to log 2 plus log 3. We replace log 2 ne value yatapiwa mquestion, which is 0.30103 plus log 3 to replace any value yatapiwa, which is 0.47712. This is equal to 0.30103 plus 0.47712. Let us add tuone. 3 plus 2 is 5, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 7 is 8, 0 plus 7 is 7, 3 plus 4 is 7, 0. This is our final answer. Saka tatopedza with log 6. Let us now go to our last, which is part C. Iri kuda log 0.9. So the principle is basically the same. Log 0.9 is equal to, we have to think, how can we replace 0.9? Tikadai so, tikati log 9 over 10. We write it as a fraction. Then what we are going to be using panapa, log A minus log B is equal to log A over B. Mind you, mogona kutenyora makati log A over B is equal to log A minus log B. But I prefer kuti minyore makadai so, kuitira kusakanganwa, uye kuitira kuti musarema zvinhu zvakawanda stereki. Because malaws aya, we don't have any other way of explaining them than kutomaziva. Mitemo yatinofanirwa kuziva. Of course, they were derived, kune munhu akamagadzira, kana kuti kune vanhu vakamagadzira, and they did it in a certain way which we can teach, which we can learn. But that is immaterial to our syllabus. Our syllabus, CIMSEC O-Level Maths, does not require we know how to derive formulas. Saka kukudzidzisa izvozvo kunenge kuri kuremedzai, kuwanza mbambo pachitewe cheshindi. Itsumo yevakuru hakuzi kutuka. Saka ngatiitei zvinhu zvatinonzi tiite nesyllabus. So mitemo iyi ngaizikanwe. Asi again, handikurudziri kuti mukreme, ndinokurudzira kuti muizive through repeated application. Kureva kuti kuita maquestion nekuita maquestions nekuita maquestions kusvikira yava muropa nekuti majaira kuishandisa. Hakuna umwe mushonga, hakuna anointed pen, hakuna n'anga, hakuna muprofita vangakubatsirai neimwe nzira yekupasa metsi kunze kwenzira yandiri kukudzidzisai yekuweka metsi dzacho. Baba vangu vakandizvara vakandipa mitemo mishoma shoma muupenyu. Umwe mutemo wavakandipa wandiri kurangarira ndewekuti metsi dzinoitwa every day. Ende zvakandibatsira. Pa-O level ndikabuda ne-A, pa-A level ndikabuda ne-A. Kucollege ndikaita madistinctions kumaths nekuti ndakadzidziswa kuti maths dzinowekwa every day. Ndozvandiri kuda kukupaiwo zvakare. Saka tadai so manje, manyorero atinozoita ndeyekuti this is equal to log 9 minus log 10. But umwe angabvunza kuti kwesene yati pa log 2 na log 3 tiri kumboenda kupi? Do not worry. Saka tiri pano manje, tiri kuti this is equal to log, tobva tati to replace a 9 na 3 squared minus log panapa yoramba iri log 10, like that. Then manje tobva tati this is equal to, toshandisa another law of logarithms pano handise kasteric kanaka, iyaya inoti log a to the n is equal to n log a. Saka tikaishandisapo zvoreva kuti tichati 2 log 3 like that minus log 10. But before tatomboenda anywhere with this, there is something I want to add panapa. Pataisa our list of the laws of logarithms, especially at this point. Mutemo rapo hama dzangu unoti 1b mubate seizvi, log a base a is equal to 1. Ndo panozobva kuti log 10 base 10 is equal to 1. Zviri kuitikapo ndezvekuti kana base yedu yakafanana nenhamba iri panapa, answer yedu inenge iri 1. Saka tikada kuiaplya apo manje, panapa tiri kuona kuti tiri kutingoti log 10 base 10 ndosaka iri equal to chi to 1 because base yafanana nenhamba iri apo. So ndokumbirisawo kuti muzvibate nenzira iyi. Uye kana tikatarisa 1a log 1 is equal to 0, ndokumbirawo zvakare kuti muibate nenzira iyi. Mofanirwa kuziva kuti log 1 base a is equal to 0. Saka zvina basa kuti base ndiani. So long number iri panapa iri 1, our answer is going to be 0. Izvi zviri kubva pakuti a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Any number to the power 0, and panapa we are talking about positive integers, not positive whole numbers or positive counting numbers. So any positive number being to the power 0 is going to be equal to 1. Saka hazvina basa kuti panapa pana log 1 base 8 kana kuti log 1 base 7, log 1 base 3, log 1 base 1. So long iri log 1 base something, our answer is going to be 0. Tasvika panapa tichabva tati this is equal to 2 multiplying log 3 taipiwa muquestion as 0.47712. It's subtracting. We know that log 10 is equal to 1, like that. Then manje tadaro, this is equal to, what is 2 times 0.47712? That is equal to 0.95424. This is subtracting 1. And when we subtract 0.95424 minus 1, we get negative 0.0566, like this. Saka you can do this as your task to confirm this answer. Let us go to our next question. We have this question now. Question yedu iri kuti simplify the following as far as possible. So we have a apple, which is log 8 plus log 5. Saka in this question, I'm not going to be writing down the laws of logarithms we are going to be using. I want to test if you have internalized them. Saka panapa manje, this is equal to log 8 times 5. So you should know which law of logarithms we used. Then this will be equal to log 40, that is 8 times 5. And this will be our final answer, like that. Let us go to B. B iri kuti 2 minus log 4. To simplify this, tinoti, let us convert 2 into logarithms. Saka it becomes log 100 minus log 4. Saka log 100 taiwana kupi. Zvatangoita apa ndezvekuti tati log, and we don't know what this number is, so we call it a, but we know the base is going to be 10 and this is equal to 2. Toda convert 2 into logarithms. We don't know what a is going to be, but we know that the standard base is 10. So tikangoti 10 squared using this law of logarithms is equal to a. 100 is equal to a. Therefore, tikuti log 100 is equal to 2. Saka we replace 2 unoyu na log 100. Tadaro manje, this will be equal to log 100 over 4. We have used a law of logarithms which you should know. Then if we say 4 into 4 panapa, it's 1. 4 into 10, we get 2 with the remainder of 2, and into 20, it's 5. Whatever kuti this is log 25. So tikanzi simplify a logarithm as far as possible, tofanirwa kuisiya iri a single logarithm kana tisingakwanise kusimplify that logarithm any further from that point. That's why pa A answer yedu yaita log 40 and pa B answer yedu yaita log 25. Let us go to C. Saka pa C, what do we want to simplify? We have log 9 dividing log 3. Saka we do not have a law of logarithms when we have logarithms dividing each other. We have a law of logarithms when logarithms are either adding or subtracting, and ndopatozotaura about the isomorphic relationship between addition and multiplication, also between subtraction and division. Saka in a way we are going to write it as log 9 over log 3. Saka we have replaced this division sign with a division line. We converted from this linear statement to a fraction. Now this is equal to, we say log 3 squared over log 3. Tanyora 9 in terms of 3. So 9 became 3 squared. This is equal to 2 log 3 over log 3. But malog 3 aya, we are just dividing something into itself. Malog 3 anochekana. Our answer is 2. That is the answer we get there. Let us go to D. For D up, what are we looking at? For D we have 2 over 5 log 32. Saka, we are going to reverse this 2 over 5. Yanga imbore power of 32. So this is equal to log 32 to the power 2 over 5. Because power ndo inouya kuno kuchimultiply log. And when you go back to the laws of indices, you learn that 32 to the power 2 over 5 is the same as the log of the fifth root of 32 everything squared. So this is equal to log of what? Ndepi number yokuti tikaimultiply by itself ka 5 inotipa 32. 32 times 2 towana 4. 4 times 2 towana 8. 8 times 2 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. Kureva kuti the fifth root of 32 ndi 2, and that 2 should be squared. Saka at the end of the day, our answer is log 4, like that. So that will be the end of it. So for your practice, rule out meter exercise 17H, taken from the New General Mathematics Book 3, Chapter 17. Product by exercise E, meter number 2, meter number 4, number 5, 7B, and also 7B. Panamadaro, I think Menge Mawana, the sufficient exercise or practice you require. Thank you.